Ensure the printer is plugged in, powered on, and within range of your Wi-Fi network. On the printer's control panel, press the wireless button. Open Wi-Fi, then enable Wi-Fi connection. A mobile phone or iPhone connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. On your mobile phone or iPhone. Open the App Store on your mobile phone, download and install the HP Smart, example Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iOS. Open the HP Smart app on your mobile device. Follow the on-screen instructions. Tap on the plus icon to add a new printer. Choose Set up a new printer and then select Wi-Fi as the connection method. The app may prompt you to enable Bluetooth and location services for better connectivity and printing experience. Follow the prompts to enable these features if necessary. The app will guide you through the setup process. It will search for available printers, including your HP Color Laser Pro MFP 179 FNW in Wi-Fi setup mode. Once you see your printer listed, tap on it to select it. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi network password. Enter the password for your home Wi-Fi network and tap Connect. The app will guide you through any remaining steps to complete the setup. After completing the setup, you can start printing from your mobile device using HP Smart app by selecting the document or photo you want to print and tapping on the print icon. You can also use additional features of HP Smart app like scanning documents, checking ink levels, ordering supplies, etc. directly from your mobile device. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.